Hey guys, thanks for coming back on my channel. I wanted to talk to you about today quickly about a Spigen cover for Samsung Watch 4. I bought this almost 2 years ago, so I wanted to talk about this cover. This is a pretty good, I don't know how you pronounce it, Spigen. I know that this is a good quality company which makes pretty good solid stuff. And usually they are also much more costlier than the other brands available for the same things, yeah, for mobile covers, for phone covers and screen guards and whatnot. So usually they are costlier. I tend to choose them without thinking twice because I don't mind paying a little price for it because I know they last long. This particular model is, I'll show you, it's called Spigen Liquid Air for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Bought this in India for 12.99. I don't know what the current price is, and it had some solid reviews. I have no problem with this cover, but there are some use case situations where I think I would want to talk to you about. So this cover fits pretty well on this. I have taken it out for a reason. Don't make a mistake that I made. I did not take it out quite often to clean it. Now putting this cover, it's kind of a little bit of a pain because you have to take out these two clips, and then you have to take your bands out and then force this thing in. It fits very snugly. It's very pretty tight. And then what happens is, because the way you have to put it in and how much time it takes and how annoying it is to take these pins out and all that stuff, you tend to not bother with it for some time and leave it there. And if you live in a hot and humid place, and of course, even if you don't live in a hot and humid place, but you exercise and you're using a sports watch and you go to the gym or you just run, what happens is your sweat and dust accumulates. You see these white spots here, here, and here. This is salt from my sweat, and it has kind of eroded my watch. And because I didn't take it out for a couple of weeks probably, and I did not clean it up. And when I did take it out, I used to like kind of clean up from a wet cloth on the top, and I used to take my watch out and wipe it with a wet cloth from behind. And it's not that I did not clean it, but when I took it out, eventually the whole cover wanted to clean it. This whole thing was filled with grime and dirt and sweat. And when I tried to clean it, now this white stuff is stuck on it. I need to find a way to take it out with certain chemical or something. I don't know what I need to use that it doesn't damage the metal, but I need to find a way to take this salty stuff out. I've tried to take it as much as possible, but this is kind of stuck. Now I don't know if this is eroded and this is damaged, or this can be taken out. But the point I want to make is this. This is a great cover, nothing wrong with it, but it does come with a side effect, is that you have to take this cover out. I would recommend, if you sweat a lot, or you're living in a hot and humid city, or you go to gym every day, and I would say every day take it out in the night before going to bed. Clean your watch properly with a wet cloth. Clean this out properly. There should be no dirt stuck in the corner, no sweaty stuff. And then put it back again. Every day is what I would recommend. Not once a week, not 3 days. I'm telling you, every day. If you're in a cold place in US or some in India, in some Missouri, Dehradun, and everything is cool, then I would say you can still give it a couple of days. But any other place, please clean that. That's my review for this cover. It's a great cover. I would still recommend this, but just here, be precautious. Yeah. So the things that nobody tells you about certain things is what I like talking about. You can find great other reviews for it, but this is the problem with this and the solution. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.